At Life Fellowship, we like to put hands to our faith, and one of the ways we do that is by getting involved in local community projects. We recently became aware of a project that we're going to be joining in with several other churches right here in the Cornelius area, and it's called the Philadelphia House. This is a gentleman that works with one of our partner ministries who's living in a house that is absolutely dilapidated. And we're going to be going in as a church team with other churches, and we're going to try to make this house habitable again. So we want to urge you to kind of keep an eye on our social media and websites so that you can know how to participate. We're going to be using our construction trailer. We're going to need everything from electricians to plumbers to carpenters to yard folks to just folks who like to clean and paint and spruce things up. So in the coming weeks, be looking for the Philadelphia House Project. I think you'll want to get involved. We're making a difference right here in Lake Norman.